Yes, the question is, if diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of a circle through the vertices of quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. Okay, so first thing we can draw the figure here first. Right, it's a circle. So in that, what they have given? Diagonals of a circle. What they give? The cyclic quadrilateral, diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral mean all the 4 points should be on the circle. Okay, this is cyclic quadrilateral, and are diameters of a circle. Diameters of a circle. These are the diagonals. Ray, listen. Diagonals of a quadrilateral. It's a diameter of the circles. It's a diameter, right? If we take a circle, this is a diameter. This is also diameter. But if we make this one as a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilaterals, okay, it's a diameter and it's a diagonal also. For the circle, it's a diameter. For the cyclic quadrilateral, it's a diagonal. Now we have to prove this ABCD is a rectangle, right? We have to prove as a rectangle. So what are the properties of the rectangle? One of the angles should be 90 degrees, opposite sides are equal. If we get any angle here 90 degrees, then it's already we can prove. So for that, see, yesterday we have done one theorem. What is that 10.8 theorem?
Half of this.
Yes, half of this. If we take this one BOCD, okay, here this angle, the total angle is half of this. Sorry, this is a half of this full angle, right? Yesterday we have done that one only, na? Okay, if it is a 180 mean, this is 90 degrees. Already we know the straight line angle is 180 degrees. So it means this BCD is a half of 180. 90 degrees. Yes, this is a linear paired here. This is 180. So it means this is 90. So one angle we have proved this one as a 90 degrees. So automatically this is a rectangle, right? Okay, write down. So first to draw the figure O, A, B, C, D. Here AC is equal to BD, diagonals of a circle. Of a circle. Consider BD as a chord so angle BCD is equal to half of angle BOD. From theorem 10.8. So angle BCD is equal to half of BOD is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 1s, 2 9s. So BCD is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle BCD plus angle BAD. BCD is equal to BAD is 180 degrees. So here what the reason we can write BCD plus BAD, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral they said, right? So opposite sum of these two opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. Here we prove only one angle is a 90 degrees. So we have to prove one more angle here. Okay. So here you can write the reason.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Yes, like that also we can write. Okay. Or we can leave here also. So better you can write one more. Okay. Write down. Okay, write down. So ABCD is a parallelogram. If you want, you can prove the write one more line, or if you don't want me directly, you can write here. Okay. Clear. ABCD is a parallelogram. After this, you have to write, right? if the diagonals are equal and one of the angle is 90 degrees. So it is a rectangle. This one exercise 10.5, question number 7, right? Now we'll go for the question number 9. Listen here. See the 9th question. If you see the diagram only, we can scare that one, right? By looking the figure only, we feel it's a difficult one, but it's a very easiest one. Okay. See here. First, draw the two circles. Draw with me. You won't get confused, right? So for that, how many points are there on the circle? A. This is B, this is C, this is D, here Q, here P, right? Now first thing, we'll join this A, B, D. A, B, D, right? Then P, B, Q. PBQ. Then after that, AC. AC, then QC. PC and DC. Okay? Clear? So here, what they are asking us, this is the picture, right? This is a figure. Completed, everyone. Sir, you done, right? So what they are asking us, what is the question there? ACP. So what we have to do next is, see, this is a figure, right? They are asking ACP. Where is ACP? ACP here, right? Then QCD. Where is QCD? QCD. We have to prove these two angles are equal. Clear? We have to prove these two angles are equal. So for that first step, what we have to do, it's very easy. After this, only 2-3 steps are there. Directly you can get the answer. So join this PA. AP you can join. Okay? Then DQ you can join. Right? Joined. Now see, based on this segment, in this segment, listen here. Now see this, based on this line segment, this segment, two angles are equal. This is equal to this one, right? It will become like this. Right? This one, only this. See, this is P. Yes, this is P. This is A. Yes, this is B. This is C. Understood? On the same segment, angles are same segment are equal. Right? So this one is equal to this one. Understood? The same way here also. This.
Angles is equal to angle.
Yes, here see, this angle is equal to this angle. Angles on the same segment, D and Q.
Opposite angles.
Very good. Okay. Now these two angles are equal, right? This one is equal to this one. Clear? The first equation is this one is equal to this one. Second equation is this one is equal to this one. The third equation is this one, vertically opposite angles. These two are equal, right? Okay. Based on these three equations, we can write ACP is equal to QCD. Simple it is. Understood? Chaitanya, right? We'll write the steps, then after that we'll get. The concept is this one first. What we have done? For the figure, we have taken AP and DC as a segments. Based on this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. And these two are the vertically opposite angles. Based on these three equations, we can get the answer. Okay. We'll write, then we'll get. Write down. Yeah. Here, first step what we have done? Join AP and DQ, right? Join AP and DQ. So for chord AP, angle ACP is equal to angle ABP. Equation 1. Angles in same segment you can write here. Angles in same segment. The next is for chord. Which one that is? DQ, right? DQ. Angle QCD is equal to angle DBQ. Equation 2, same reason here. Then here this one, this angle is equal to this. So angle ABP is equal to angle DBQ. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angles, vertically opposite angles. See here, by looking this, ACP is equal to ABP, ABP is equal to DBQ, DBQ is equal to QCD, right? Understood, Srijan? ACP is equal to ABP, that ABP is equal to DBQ, this DBQ is equal to QCD. It means we can write ACP is equal to QCD, right? So therefore, what is that? ACP, angle ACP is equal to ABP, ABP is equal to DBQ, DBQ is equal to QCD, QCD. From equation 1, 2 and 3. So therefore, angle ACP is equal to angle QCD. Stop this.
This is from
Yeah. So see here, 1 second. So in the 12th question, in a circle, the question they have given, we have to prove, what is the question there? Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram. This is a cyclic parallelogram. We have to prove that one as a rectangle. It's a cyclic parallelogram in opposite two angles. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Based on that, we have to get the values of angle A, angle C and angle B and angle D. It should be a 90 degrees. So here I have written angle A plus angle C is 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of opposite angles in a cyclic parallelogram are equal to 180 degrees. So next is angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay. So based on that, see if we take first equation, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle C is 180. So here we got from equation 3, angle A is angle C, angle A is equal to angle C. So angle A plus angle A is equal to 180. If you simplify, you will be getting angle A value is 90 degrees. The same way, if it is angle A is 90 degrees, mean angle C also 90 degrees. So similarly, you can write here, similarly by equation 2. Okay. If you simplify equation 2, the same method you have to follow here. B plus D is equal to 180. Here B is equal to D. Okay. So 2B is equal to 180, B is equal to 90. Clear? So therefore, angle B is equal to also 90 degrees and angle D also 90 degrees. So you can write the reason. All angles of parallelogram are 90. So then it is a rectangle. Right.